Hi, sir. Congratulations on your big milestone. Okay. Can I get your full name, please?
Ndabuko Ndlovu.
Where are you from?
Vincent Ndabuko Ndlovu. I'm from Gauteng, Joburg.
Gauteng, Joburg. Okay.
Yes.
What qualifications are you obtaining today?
It's a bachelor's degree in retail management.
Retail management.
Yes.
Okay. How has your experience been with Regent?
It's been very challenging and exciting at the same time.
Okay.
Lots of hard work, lots of sleepless nights, but all worthwhile.
Okay, so I can't concentrate because there's this shiny trophy you're holding.
Yeah.
Care to tell us what you got?
I got, you mean in terms of
Yeah, what's that for?
So this trophy is for being a top student and Cum Laude students. So I had 11 distinctions in my degree program.
Okay, so you definitely worked hard.
I did.
Oh.
Yes, I did.
Okay, what advice would you give to a future graduates out there?
So to the future graduates, I would say the work ethics. They have to work hard, put in the work, and the output will be what they've have put in. Yes.
Okay. Now, thank you so much and congratulations once again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.